hope you enjoying the little movie you just watched right now. Don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create something amazing like this. In just a minute, you can create something so amazing like this. Now, let me take you guys to where I will show you how you can create something amazing like this. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now and let's get started. So to get started, go to this website. When you reach the website, you register with your email address. After you register with your email, then the next thing you click on this whiskey. Here you click on it. When you click on it, it's going to be launched. As you can see, it's going to be launched and it's going to open like this. And the next thing you do, you enter tools. You click on enter tools, and when you click on enter tools, it's going to bring you to this interface like this. Now, my phone is in desktop mode. Let me switch it back so that you guys will understand more. Now let's click on enter tools, and when you click on enter tools, it's going to bring you to this interface. As you can see, it says describe your idea or role. So you can just put your prompt here, any of the video prompt you want him to generate for you. You can put the prompt here. So let's just describe, let's just put war zone. As you can see, war zone, then we click it, this place. As you can see, best quality, we lock this, then our ratio should be 16.9. Then the next thing we are going to do is to click on this next so that it will generate it for us. Now we are giving it just less than some minutes and it's going to generate it for us. Right now, as you can see, it's generating it. So let's just wait for some minutes so that it can generate it for us. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so that when next I draw more videos like this, you will also be among of the people to be watching those videos I'll be dropping. So subscribe, like, and also follow this. So as you can see, it has generated for us right now. Now, as you can see, it has generated. Now, all you just have to do is just to click on this animate. As you can see, now you can just click on, you can put your prompt here, like let's say shooting gun and running towards the enemy. Let's just use this prompt and enemies. So let's click on continue, and when we click on continue, it's going to make it a video for us in just less than 1 minute. So as you can see, it's also counting again, and after it's reached 100, it's going to be completed and we are going to see our video perform the action we just gave it right now. So let's just give it some minutes. Now as you can see, it's still counting. So if you are new to this YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, I want you to help me by subscribing to this YouTube channel so that I will be creating more videos like this. And don't forget to comment in the comment section of this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. And don't forget to also like this video. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for the subscribe, and also thank you for the comment. Now as you can see, now you guys can see what is happening. Now as you can see, as you can see, so you can just click on this download icon here. You click on download and it's going to be download to your phone. So you can do that to the second one also. Can do that, or you can tell him to generate another one for you and it's going to generate it. So the next thing you are going to do is to go to CapCut. Now let's head down to CapCut. Now when you come to CapCut, you click on add new project. Now as you can see, this is the scene we just created right now. So as you can see, then the next thing you are going to do is to add your audio. And I've already shown you guys how you can create your audio sound. You can create any audio sound. I've said it before on my last video. If you have not watched my last video, go and watch the video right now. And the video will also be dropping right here. As you can see on top here, you will see the video. So you click on the video and watch it so that you know how to generate audios. So you can generate audio and put it. Right now, let me click on add audio. I have some audios here. So I will just click on add. Let me click on war. I have some audio here. I'll just click on it right now. So That is how it's being done. As you can see, you guys can see. You can also try to add some gun sound here by you clicking here and you search for it. Shooting, as you can see, shooting sound. You can, you can see. So you can just click on and add it up here. Let, you can just adjust it. Now, now, this is so wonderful. So you guys can see how I just amazingly create something perfectly for free without paying a dime, without paying anything. I created this video. So you can also do the same. Now go and try it out. And after you try it out, it this work for you. I want you to comment in the comment section of this video. And if you found all the information I just gave you right now helpful, comment thank you in the comment section of this video. And also don't forget to like this video, and if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch this video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.